Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see date and time of messages in Messenger. So if you want to check or validate the message whenever someone send you a message, so you guys can exactly see the time and date of that specific message in the Messenger. Yes, I'm right. So for that, first of all, you have to just simply update your Messenger. So after updating your Messenger from the Play Store, you have to just simply open up Messenger on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Messenger on your mobile phone, you have to simply open up the chat, specific chat in which you want to check the message, date and time. So I am just opening up any of the chat, and here is a message. I want to see the exact time and date of that message. You guys can see here is above, it is also displaying, but I want to see between the chat. Here you guys can see here is a message. I just want to check the date and time of this message. So I am to just simply single tap on that specific message. So I'm just clicking on that, and you guys can see it has displaying as that specific date first, after that the specific time. So this is the exact way to, in order to check any of the message, you have to simply single tap the any of the message. So after single tapping, you guys can check the exact date and time of that specific message on the Messenger, even your own message or the message by your receiver or your friend. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.